What's up, everybody? It's your girl Kim, and I'm back again. I'm getting ready to go inside of Bath and Body Works just to see what they have. I'm looking for that Cider Lane 3-wick candle. I called a couple of stores. Of course, y'all already know they playing like they ain't got it, but one store did say they have it, but it comes out Monday. Oh my goodness, that kind of sucked because of course y'all do know right now Bath and Body Works is doing the $13.50 sale, plus we have a 30% coupon and we have that 20% coupon, so you could get it for super cheap, under $10 for some of the other candles. Not that one, because the Cider Lane 3-wick candle is $32.50. Crazy. It's crazy that they keep going up on the price, but the quality is staying the same, the size is staying the same. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm getting ready to go in here and see what they have. I'm not really a big fan of all that Halloween stuff, so that stuff is a pass for me, but I will look at the candles. I got the Enchanted Potion candle. I got that one already, so I'm not gonna get that one. I'm gonna get some of the other collections that came out. So yeah, let's head in here, y'all. Let's head in. Let's see what we could see. Let's see what we could find. All right. Halloween is inside stores now. I really didn't want to do a whole lot of talking on this part because I just wanted to show y'all the products, but Halloween is in the stores. If this is your season, this is your time to grab some of this Halloween stuff. And as y'all do know, I always show the scent in the store, and of course it's Poppy. We love Poppy. So yeah, check out the Halloween items, y'all. Here's some of the newest candles at my store. They still have a lot of those neutral collection. I think that's what the collection is called. But some of those candles is selling out pretty fast in this particular store. That leather and brandy candle, I think they only had like 6. And as you do see, that coffee and whiskey candle was very low. But this is a collection that I'm most definitely going to come back to, and hopefully the candles is still there, because I do love this neutral collection. Those other candles, they always come back every fall, so most of those are repackages, but I will grab some of the newer candles that's out. So yeah, this Cuddle Weather, that's new out, so of course I will be grabbing that one. But I got a feeling these candles are gonna really sell out fast. And I don't know why. I don't know if it's just because everybody is so excited to see some of the fall candles. I don't know. I'm just hoping that they're still around at the end of the season. Hopefully when we have a better sale, I could grab a lot of them. $13.50 isn't bad, don't get me wrong, but if you don't have a coupon, then you will have to pay that price. And your girl, I like to shop with a coupon. I'm just saying, I just like to have a coupon to get my candles as close as possible to $10. So yeah, all of these is just repackages. That's the reason why I'm just only showing the scent notes. But yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home. I'm gonna have to come back with my haul because this shopping trip was so frustrating. I just can't. As y'all do know, and I said earlier, I got that 30% coupon, the app reward coupon, and I know for a fact I've used that coupon inside the store before. I know I did, but for some reason this particular time. Okay, the store was correct. Because the app reward program isn't in my area, you cannot use the app reward coupons. You will have to use them online, just like we do when we get the rewards. That was my fault. That was a long day. So, editing this video, I just want to make sure I come back and apologize for this little portion of this video, because I was so frustrated, doing all of that. But they were correct. I was not able to use the coupon inside the store because it was an app reward. It was just issues. It was like, oh no, we can't accept it because we don't have the app reward program here. So you will have to place your order and then do a pickup. Oh my gosh, that was so frustrating. So of course, y'all know I had already shopped in the store. I had already had my stuff. I was checking out. And they couldn't take the coupon. So I had to stand on the side and do an online order and wait around until they said they had the order thing. It was so frustrating. So, like I said, I'm just going to come back and do my haul video when my energy is a lot better, because like right now I'm just a little frustrated. I'm just over Bath and Body Works for the moment, so I'll come back on another video with this haul. Leave in the comments, let me know, did you shop the $13.50 sale? If you did, leave that down in the comment. Did your store have the Cider Lane 3-wick candle? Leave that down in the comments, because my store didn't have it. They got it, but again, Bath and Body Works, well, not the associates at Bath and Body Works playing us like we stupid. That digs under my skin. That digs under my skin. And I had just called that store and I asked them, and she was like, yeah, we have it, but it's released Monday. So when I went in, I asked a different associate. She was like, oh no, we don't have it. See, that's what I be saying. They love to play people stupid. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to have to come back when my energy is better, because like right now, it's not good. It's not good. So leave in the comments. Let me know, do your store have Cider Lane, a 3-wick candle? What did you buy on this $13.50 sale? And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace. Positive vibes only. Peace.